Welcome to our Why series. Today we're going to discuss why sustainable agriculture at NHTI. My name is Tracey Lesser and I'm the Program Coordinator for Sustainable Agriculture at NHTI.
And I'm Emma Denney. I am a senior in the program.
Our program has a number of different options that students can take. There are two different ways that you can earn an associate's degree in this program. One is through a transfer pathway that works for the 4-year programs. The other is by rolling our certificate program, which is a 1-year farm-based experience, into an associate's degree program. All of these options involve hands-on learning, project-based learning.
Yeah. I'm in the associate's program looking to transfer to UNH, and I've really appreciated the time that I've spent at NHTI because I've learned so much in such a short period of time. Between the hands-on labs, the time that I've been able to spend working in the Sycamore Community Garden and taking advantage of our beautiful campus, and the time that we visited other farms so I can see their management practices, I've learned a lot.
The Sycamore Community Garden is a garden on campus that serves approximately 164 different families, mostly low-income and new Americans. The students are working on cover crop projects, different crop projects, and management plans to help increase the yield for those gardeners. We also send students out to farms to learn the different management techniques at those facilities.
So one of the great examples of that is in one of my classes, we visited a farm that raises cattle, which is something I don't have any experience with. But I was able to see how they use their rotational grazing and their soil management practices to make a really beautiful, beautiful product.
NHTI also has a high tunnel greenhouse where students are learning crop extending, season extending, and pollinators that we will be providing for the community. For more information about our program, please visit nhti.edu.